Hello and welcome to this video on the velocity formula and how to use it. The velocity formula is a triangle with d, distance on top, v, velocity on the bottom left, and t, time on the bottom right. To find any of these parameters, you cover the one you're looking for. So let's see, I want to find distance, d. I cover d and I find d by multiplying v velocity with t time. Okay, and let's say I want to find velocity. Then I take d distance and divide it by t time. Let's say I want to find t, then I'll take d distance and divide it by velocity. So if it's horizontal, you multiply. If it's vertical, you divide the top with the bottom, either d by v or d by t. So let's do an example. So we have v 80 miles per hour, t 2.5 hours, and d 200 miles. So example 1 is find d, example 2 is find v, and example 3 is find t. So how do we do that? Well, we'll cover over d first for example 1. So we'll do v times t. And then for example 2, we want to find v. So we're going to do d divided by t. And then for example 3, we're going to find t. So we're going to do d divided by v. So let's do that. So v times t to find d. And d divided by t to find v. And d divided by v to find t. Okay, so the velocity was 80 miles per hour and the time was 2.5 hours. So if we multiply those together, we get 200 miles. So d is 200 miles. And as we know from the start, that's correct. Now, for example 2, we're doing d divided by t. D is 200 miles and t is 2.5 hours. And that is 80 miles per hour. 200 divided by 2.5. And for example 3, it's d divided by v. So 200 miles divided by 80 miles per hour. And 200 divided by 80 is 2.5 hours. Okay, so that was a quick video to show you how to use the velocity formula. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you.